Only 48 hours left. Time is running out to grab that spot for my 6-week wellness challenge. Now, I've had a bunch of questions by private message, so I just want to cover some important stuff really quick for those who may still be on the fence about all this. And here's what you need to know. Well, when does it start? On March 27th, members of the 6-week Wellness Bootcamp will kick off their journey working with me closely to achieve better outer and inner strength, feel younger and stronger without wasting time, money, or embarrassment, or worse, risking injury. Well, who's it for? The program is specifically designed to put an end to the struggle to find a structured routine to reduce stress and anxiety, lose weight, feel younger and stronger and healthier, while creating healthy habits that last a lifetime. It's designed for people who tried confusing online searches, intimidating studio classes, and still haven't been able to make it stick and crush their goals. Well, what's included? You'll get 6 weeks of daily practices and tools delivered by an app you can use and practice anytime and anywhere. A 6-week quick guide and practice schedule, an accountability group with the rest of the members, one-on-one weekly sessions with me, my holistic recipe cookbook to fuel your body in a healthy way, and a deeply discounted monthly rate following the program for any future programs. How much time do you need? Just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Of course, if you have more, I'll give you plenty of options to work more to get to that goal faster. Well, what if I have chronic pain and I can't do a lot of movement? Then this is exactly the program for you. The movements are very gentle and relaxing, and I cater to those that may have limitations with movement. Well, why couldn't I just go to classes online? Well, you could, but I don't recommend it. It's really tough out there to wade through all the videos to try to find someone that you can connect with, but almost none are made for a person like you. Then, of course, there's the incomprehensible, flowery yoga language and terminology that just may not make sense. It becomes a lot of wasted time and frustration, which is discouraging. Plus, there's no follow-through, so there's no one there to understand where you're at and where you want to go. So cut through the fluff and get exactly what you need in an easy-to-use plan and a supportive coach and community that will be there whenever you need. Well, what if I try it and it isn't for me? Well, no problem. The boot camp comes with a 14-day money-back guarantee, and if after 2 sessions with me you feel it's not working out, no problem. Just cancel and I'll refund your member rate. Does that sound fair? So to grab one of the remaining spaces, just comment below with "Let's do this," and be ready, hold on tight, for me to send you all the sign-up details straight to your messenger inbox. But act fast, because you've only got 48 hours before the registration closes. Comment below now and reserve your spot.